Ever seen a cracked bowl become more valuable than pure gold? Bon bon bon! I'm Dr. Tokimeki, and today, we're unveiling the mesmerizing world of Kintsugi, where broken pottery isn't the end of the story, but the start of something priceless. Ready to be amazed? Kintsugi, which literally means golden joinery in Japanese, is the art of repairing broken pottery with lacquer and real gold dust. But there's more. It's a powerful philosophy that celebrates life's cracks instead of hiding them. Intrigued yet? Legend says that around the 15th century, a Japanese shogun was disappointed by crude fixes to his favorite tea bowl. He challenged local artisans to find a more elegant way, and Kintsugi was born. Ever since, breaking became a chance to create an even more precious work of art. Unlike quick DIY fixes, true Kintsugi is slow art. Urushi, a special lacquer derived from tree sap, needs to cure for days or even weeks. Then comes genuine gold dust, carefully brushed along each crack to form golden veins. These veins don't hide the damage, they make it glow. You might be wondering why Kintsugi pieces can fetch sky-high prices. First, real gold isn't cheap. Second, the artisan's time and skill are immense, with each step taking patience and precision. Finally, the result is utterly unique. No two cracks are the same, and that rarity adds incredible value. Kintsugi embodies the Japanese idea of wabi-sabi, the beauty found in imperfection and impermanence. Every crack tells a story, a history the object has lived through. By highlighting these flaws in gold, we celebrate the journey rather than hide it. Today, Kintsugi has a global fan base. Art galleries display Kintsugi-inspired pieces, and people worldwide attempt DIY kits. If you're ever in Tokyo, there are workshops where you can try your hand at this golden craft. Imagine going home with your own personal, one-of-a-kind masterpiece. First quiz. True or false, Kintsugi sometimes uses silver or other metals instead of gold? What do you think? Second quiz. If you had a broken cup at home, would you repair it the Kintsugi way or just throw it out? Share your answer in the comments. Here at Tokyo Tokimeki Channel, we strive to spark that thrilling Tokimeki whenever you uncover something new about Japan. From ninjas to Daruma dolls, and now Kintsugi, there's always more to discover. So hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Time for the answers. Kintsugi can indeed use metals like silver, so true it is. As for whether you'd fix or toss that broken cup, there's no right or wrong answer, but I'd love to hear your thoughts below. After all, Kintsugi reminds us that even life's cracks can become our brightest lines. Thank you for joining me on this golden journey. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Kintsugi, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Next time, we'll explore another hidden gem of Japanese tradition. Ever heard of Kodo, the art of incense appreciation? Stay tuned for more Tokimeki moments. Bon bon bon!